Alrighty folks, so today is wine number 2. This one is the Nocturnal kit. So I got my anti-sediment tip here. I'm going to rack off of this into a new, fresh, sanitized carboy. There is sediment on the bottom, so I have my anti-sediment tip. Even though we didn't even start the clearing yet, it's already clearing. So that's a good thing, get this thing as clear as possible. Alright, so I'm going to get that set up and we'll be right back and start the siphon. Alright, let's get my anti-sediment tip, zoom in so you can see, and basically what I'm going to do is put this in carefully as to not agitate it, and as I'm going down I'm going to pump it, get the siphon rolling, and then gently push this down to the bottom of the carboy without stirring or anything, just carefully and slowly as I can until I hit the bottom. And now that it's on the bottom, I'm going to siphon all the way to the other carboy. Alright, so the back end of the spoon goes into the wine, and I have here the sorbate and the metabisulfite. So I'm going to put these one at a time in to the wine and stir. And you stir that up. Probably stir that for about 3 minutes. And we'll be right back. Now after I stir this, I'm going to be putting in my sparkloid for a clarifier. This kit comes with chitosan, and you could certainly use that, but the chitosan, I don't use it because it has shellfish in it, and we are trying to stay clear of shellfish because of allergies, so I am not going to be using this that comes with the kit. You can use it if you don't have an issue with shellfish, but I'm not going to be using it. I'm going to be using sparkloid instead. This is the sparkloid powder that I use in place of chitosan in all of my winemaking. Now I use this because the chitosan, again, is made from shellfish, and I try to avoid shellfish for folks that have shellfish allergies. I have another whole video on how to mix this up. You can just follow the directions on the side, but I do have another whole video on it, and that's what I choose to use. Alright, so what I'm going to do next, after the sparkloid, is just top this up with some water. Mainly because this might be sitting another month before I get to bottle it. To about there. I'm going to put my airlock back on and patiently wait about a couple weeks. and from there we'll take it from there. But really, in about 2 to 3 weeks I could probably bottle this, but at this point I'm just going to leave it at that, and it might be a month or so before I get to this, but that's where we're at. Alright, hope that's helpful. Tune back again for this wine in about a month, and we'll be good to go. Thanks for watching. One more wine to go. Alright everybody, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you like what you see, please subscribe to my video channel here on YouTube. And definitely check out my blogs, www.cookingitalianrecipes.com with the dashes in the middle, or my other one on winemaking, howtomakehomemade.biz. Thanks for watching, please subscribe, and have an awesome day.